Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review slash demo slash wear test, first impression, everything on the new Colourpop No Filter Foundation. So this just released, I believe it was June 14th, so it's fairly new. It was very hyped about because everyone loved the No Filter Concealer. So everyone was really excited about this, and so was I, because I'm always looking for an affordable foundation. So I did use the foundation today, as you can see here, and I'm going to do a demonstration and all that and tell you guys a little more about the product as you get further into the video. I just wanted to say pretty much hello and welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button as well as turn on my post notifications, like the video, follow me on my social media, everything. Do it all, guys. And yeah, I just wanted to quickly say that, and without further ado, let's get into the video so you can see my thoughts on this. Okay guys, so we're just gonna jump right into this. I ordered it the day it released, which was June 14th, and it got here pretty quickly. I got the shade medium 110. I feel like this is gonna be a little too dark for me because it just is, but we're gonna make it work, guys. My main concern with this whole foundation from Colourpop is the fact that it's so difficult to pick a right shade through, you know, a website. Even if they give suggestions and so it's like you kind of always want to try it out. So that's the negative of ordering, you know, a foundation online, is you never really know if it's going to be too light or too dark. Just a little bit about this foundation was $12, but with Colourpop, since it's online again, there is shipping, so I paid $17 total for this foundation, and that's another negative. But they do have the free shipping with over 30, so if you needed multiple products, it's not a bad time to invest. But just to get the foundation alone through online, I feel like, you know, $18 is kind of pricey, especially when I was looking at some reviews that this is only 0.85 ounces. So we'll definitely see if it's worth it. So yeah, that's a few things that had my guard up about, that I was like, we'll see. Like, it better be the best damn foundation for me to order it for $17 and get less than an ounce. So I'm on the Colourpop website right now, and I'm just gonna read some claims before I get into it. So it says, the No Filter Matte Foundation, developed for the selfie age, our full coverage natural matte foundation delivers flawless looking skin from day to night. The oil-free lightweight formula blends smoothly and is easily customizable to create the coverage you want. Build it up or sheer it out. It was developed with innovative soft blurring pigments to deliver true color while looking and feeling natural. The lockable pump is easy to use and keeps your routine mess free. As always, 100% cruelty free and vegan. So this is what the packaging looks like. I had no idea what kind of foundation this was going to be. I didn't know if it was going to be matte or demi-matte or whatever. So since it did say it was matte, I don't want it to, you know, I did my skincare routine already, but I still want a little extra glow, so I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Pro Glow. I'm going to take the foundation on one side with the Beauty Blender, the other side with a brush. So like I said, this probably will be too dark for me, just because I always decide to go darker than lighter, just because of concealer. I can always make my foundation lighter, or I can mix and make it look lighter, so it's not a big deal. So this does have a lock like they said, and I really like that. Oh shit, that's way too dark for me. I'm gonna have to return it. I'm gonna give my final opinions at the end because I always give my opinions and they're always wrong. So let's see. I just hate that I got it too dark for me. That's what pisses me off. And for this side, I'm going to take my Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 brush, and I've never used it before, so we'll see how it blends it out. Okay, so yeah, I definitely prefer this foundation with the brush. It blended out a lot easier. It looks a lot smoother. This one kind of looks like, not patchy, but it's definitely a lighter coverage. And this one, it still doesn't look cakey or anything, but it just smoothed out my skin. And there's no marks on this side. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I 100% recommend using a brush with it. I'm always a beauty blender person. That is the first time I've used a brush in like 4 years, and I love the side of the brush. So I have my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in light 130. It might be too light, but no, it should be good. So I'm going to use that in my under eyes. And just so you guys know, when I first used this concealer, I didn't like it with the foundation I paired it with. I don't remember which one it was, but I didn't like it. But with this one, I actually do like it, especially because the foundation was so much darker. This did lighten it up a bit, and it kind of blends it out super easy on top of it. So I really like this concealer and foundation paired together. So I'm going to go do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back to give you my thoughts. And I'll tell you guys what I used after I come back because I don't know what I'm doing yet. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so that was basically it for the demonstration portion of this video. It does look very, very nice. I do right now have, my main concerns are my whiteheads that I've been getting again for some reason. I had one breakout, and then I have my acne scars that are still there, so annoying. And for the most part, this foundation does not emphasize my whiteheads. It does kind of smooth them out. Up close, obviously, you can see them, but that's with any foundation, no matter what. But it does smooth it out. The breakout I had up here, I didn't color correct, and it did cover the redness. However, I have a really deep, like, acne scar right here, which is deeper than all the rest, and it's peeking through just a little, but everything else is covered. All my other acne scars, just that one right there is peeking through. And that might also be because I used the beauty blender on this side of my face, and if you heard in the video, with the beauty blender it was a lot lighter coverage than with the brush. And I love this side of my skin that I used with the brush. It smoothed it out completely. It was fuller coverage without looking or feeling cakey. So I would definitely recommend using a brush with it, especially that Sigma brush. It was amazing, guys. But for the most part, it looks really, really nice. It does photograph well. I'm going to go ahead and insert a picture. I did take this picture. Don't mind my face, but it completely smoothed out my skin, and this is no editing, of course. It's just straight off Snapchat. There's no editing to it, no anything, and it smoothed it out kind of like if I used a Facetune or something. So it looks really, really nice, guys. We'll just see if it holds up. I'm gonna wear this foundation the whole day. I do have to probably cook something and then go to work, and I get off at 9:30 tonight. So we're really gonna see what this foundation looks like after a very long day of being out, and see if it holds up. or if I look like a oily mess. So it is oil free though. I don't think that should happen, but you never know. But yeah, so far I am loving it, so we'll just see. I'll see you guys in a few hours. So this is what this looks like right now, and actually the part that held up the best was my under eye area, where I use my No Filter concealer, which I'm pretty like happy about because it held up pretty well up there, as you can see. But for the rest, I'm very oily. And I did not touch up today at all. I just straight up used it all day. I didn't blot or anything. So this is just the foundation on its own. So it's very oily. And this is supposed to be like oil free. Again, it literally could just be my Pro Glow primer, but at the same time I feel like I would have gotten the same effect with my regular skincare routine that I do. So I feel like this is what would have happened regardless. And I'm not fairly oily. For the most part, I'm pretty normal. I don't overproduce oils or anything. My skin's fairly normal. So this is pretty like shocking to me. But it didn't really break up anywhere. It's still covered, you know, it still covered everything. I just feel like I really have to blot. But other than that, it didn't break apart anywhere. It just looks extremely shiny everywhere. I really liked it though. I know it sounds crazy, but I actually really liked it. I love the way it photographed, and it did not have flashback, guys. I tested it with my back camera. It actually made my skin look very flawless, and I just really like it. I'm gonna test it out a few more times in with different primers and stuff, see how I like it. But for the most part, I really love it. You just have to touch up. You have to touch up. And if you're dry skinned, I feel like you can definitely get away with using this foundation if you prep your skin well. So I definitely recommend this product to you guys. Make sure you blot and make sure you use a matte primer if you're extremely oily. But that is basically it. I'm so tired. I'm going to take all this off right now. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will catch you guys next time.